Hello, this is unsolicited feedback for Aurora content formatting macro for Confluence. So let's take a look. It sounds like it's pretty promising application. You can do beautiful pages, at least nice marking the content, let's call it this way. And it's very promising. You have lots of macros. Now let's jump and try to do it. So actually it's, and I'm as an end user, I'm not an admin. So I wanted to do a beautiful page like they created on the presentation. So my intention was and is to do some kind of cards. So I have a page title, as you see, it's custom editor, so you need to understand how this works. This stuff is blinking, I don't know why it's blinking, so unnecessary. So I have page countdown, which is cool. Then I wanted to add here some cards. Let's see, so I have a card, okay, let's add them. I have cards, I have how do I edit the content of these cards. Sounds like card 1. Some text, card 2, you can customize color, you can customize icon, it's nice, save. Then I added here another expandable group, user profiles. Looks like it's here, I picked some users, okay. And then I have a progress bar, you can set potentially project progress. Imagine you want to do project progress, let's say it's for example 56% done. Interesting. I have another title, so let's see how it looks. I mean, this section look decent, so I have some sense of it, maybe she presented well. This section is not here at all. I have no idea where it is. Seems like it disappeared completely. Even so, I am here, I see this, but I don't understand actually how to make it okay. I don't see this project progress in. Yeah, so for me I think this app is missing potentially some very nice template. Like for example, if you want to make nice pages, you would add here a page or a page template which uses all of those macros, and you can potentially build help centers, internal team portals, and similar stuff like this. I do not see drastic improvements comparably to Confluence itself. For example, I don't want to embed HTML, and it says this strange stuff. Okay, how do I find my admin? So I have no idea. It has some, how to say, dead ends. Overall, I would rank it potentially 3 out of 4, maybe even 2 out of 4. And I do only like high-level macros. Here they have some sample pages. Let's take a look. I mean, it does look interesting, like a CMS based on Confluence. So theoretically, if you know how to do it, it looks good. So probably I would rank it 3 out of 4 because of this, because again, maybe I need just to invest much more time on this. As a result, I may get a nice looking pages. My basically, again, as you see, it mostly has high level macros which allow you to kind of structure your page, but you still need to ensure that your images, visuals, and other stuff is high quality. However, if you do have them, Confluence will do something similar as well. So I'm not sure this plugin is required, but maybe for some use cases, which are, for example, listed here, if you like knowledge base, help center, employee onboarding, documentation, team pages, and so on, would be a nice addition as well. So let's take a look at the pricing. Pricing nice, you can play it in small instance. I mean, it's okay if I have 1,000 people organization. Maybe it is, I don't know, we will see. If you have multiple use cases, it should be fine. From security perspective, and doesn't store any user data, which is kind of interesting. So probably everything is in Confluence. It has pretty decent reviews. You see like, oh, 4 out of 4. So people are happy. It's probably just me who couldn't set it up very easily. Sounds like it has very good support, because many reviews about support. Has a German phone number and 9 to 5 support in Germany. Overall, 3 out of 4 stars here. Thank you very much.